Hi guys, and welcome to a tech tutorial for Sonic Frontiers. This tutorial will teach you all of the speedrun tech found in Sonic Frontiers that you can use to your advantage to beat the game as fast as possible. These will not include skips, these will only include speed tech. So the first one is the homing dash, and this trick is performed quite simply by using the homing attack, but you cancel it out with a boost. So what you're going to do is you're going to find an object like this spring that I can homing attack on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to homing attack it. You see, I homing attack it, it does that. But if I homing attack it and then boost before I reach the spring, this happens. It's called the homing dash, and you can use it to carry your momentum using jumps. So if you jump after doing the homing dash, you will carry a bunch of speed. This next trick is called the sidestep. It's in most Sonic games. It's where you step to the side to avoid obstacles. But you can use this to go faster. Like this, you hold the sidestep button. You don't spam the sidestep button. You have to actually hold it down, and then you can go at crazy faster speeds, and you can climb up hills, and you don't lose any momentum at all. I don't know why this works, but it does. This next speed tech is called the Slingshot, and it's probably the most important thing you'll need to speedrun this game. So the Slingshot is performed by using two tricks. The homing dash, which we already established, is a trick, and another trick called the Hedgehog Space Program. This trick is done where you log onto an enemy, and you dodge, stomp, boost, and then you let go boost, and you can fly in the air. You can go really high if you do it correctly. You can just frame perfect. I'm not gonna do it right now, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna lock on homing attack, and then we're gonna do the Hedgehog Space Program. So we're gonna lock on homing attack away, and then do the Hedgehog Space Program. It can be a little tricky to get at first, so I haven't played this game in a while, so. But you will eventually get it. So it's best to try it in the air. And there we go. That's a nice one. You have to hold the boost, and you see how this far I can fly through the map? I'm literally flying through the map. This can help you get up to higher places, reach up a bunch of different maps and stuff like that. So you can really just break the game with this one. And this next trick can be performed with the Spindash as well. So what this trick is we can actually do tricks out of a Spindash, and all you're gonna do is just hold the boost button while Spindashing. And then you can do this. Basically, let's go over all the tricks that we learned today, and I'm gonna have you guys try them. So I'm gonna show you how you can use homing dashing to your advantage in the open world. As you can definitely use the Spindash to climb up slopes. But I'm going to show you another method that you can do. So now it's time for me to show you how these actually can work. Let's see, I'm over here on this island. I want to get to another island over there. I want to get to that island over there, that mountain up there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to slingshot over there, of course. And now I can get up there. And now I can even get to this island over here. And now I can see the entire island from up here. It's because I did that slingshot. And you see how high we're going? That's insane, if you ask me. So now let's do it. Let's show you how we can use the homing dash to our advantage. So let me go over to the cyberspace portal. We can just fast travel there. So let me go to the first one. Map, where is it? Right here. And I want to go here. Never mind. Homing dash is very useful in cyberspace stages. And in pretty much everything, you can use these Speedtechs in pretty much any situation that you want to use them in, and it makes the game go extremely faster. And it's also just fun in general too. So you should try these out if you ever get the chance. So I do recommend trying these tricks out if you ever do want to go a lot faster in Frontiers. If you ever want to go. Anyway, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.